Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert table in a Microsoft Outlook for Windows. So guys, let's start it. At first, open your document. Firstly, going to the insert menu option and click for the table option and choose any table column. Then for OK. Then table is text, character text. Then how to insert table in Microsoft Word Outlook is this easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.